Mind you, there are still flowers. Yeah, you're gonna need gloves. And where we were, it was just snowing, and then we drove more west, and now there's flowers. How'd we go from snow to flowers? Oh, by the way, this is the longest train in the world. It's still not done. It's still not done. I've never seen a longer train. Yesterday was Halloween. Today is officially the first day of November, and it feels like instead of, you know, fall still being here until Christmas, it feels like fall ended with Halloween, and it feels like winter now. It's such a gray day. Where we're going, it's actually going to be snowing, so we're technically snow fishing.
Yeah.
But we're done with not catching fish, and where we're going is supposed to be a really good area with a lot of fish. So we're gonna go and take it really seriously today. Go in stealth mode, go hardcore, and it's gonna be all about getting that catch today. Yeah.
I imagine this must flood.
Yeah, it must flood.
Too high water. This weather's big and everything. I still think the other one was more magical.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, I don't think you want to step in the water.
I think it's a violent stream.
No, I think this is good right in here.
This is good?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, it's gonna go deep pretty quickly. Oh. Yeah, see, it's already up to my knees now. But it's really cool to feel the water. This is definitely new for me. I never go out into Western Mass, and I never go into big rivers with waders. So
Not to mention everything we've seen today.
today was such an eerie day because we drove like for an hour through snow, and then we drove past the snow, and now in this side of the state it's just cloudy. There's no snow, but it's so cloudy that you can't see the mountain tops. It's like we're in the clouds. And then out in Western Mass, the population is so much smaller, so we got a lot of vintage vibes and a lot of ghost town vibes. And I got like a eerie kind of spooky energy too. Me personally. I don't know about you.
No, I did.
Me too. But I thought it was kind of cool. I guess it fits because yesterday was Halloween.
Yeah.
So now we're just in a big river, and it feels like we're the only people on the planet. That's what it feels like, because there's like nobody, no houses, nothing. It's bizarre.
Floated out. If I can get it up close to, like, on the other side of this rock, I feel like something.
could be there.
Yeah.